We got here a super bitchin' 57 Chevy station wagon, kind of done up like, you know, it's like it's rusty and stuff, but it's not. It's got a turbo diesel in it. This thing is a torque monster and a half. Turbo diesel. See that? See the smoke comes out of the top here? This thing is an intention getter and a half. Yeah, especially jump on that rat. It's got, you know, it's made to look like it's kind of rusted out, but it's not. It's got probably epoxy paint flat. Yeah. Here we go. Dum 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 dum. All right. Cummins diesel, turbo diesel, 57. All right. Got all the bumpers and stuff and bumperettes in the back and stuff. Diesel life. I never seen this here, and this is unique as all hell. Got your gas filler up, diesel filler up, fuel there. So let's get back here. That is wild as all hell. You can see I got my keepy on. And got the RPM gauge right there where the speedometer is. We don't need no speedometer, we need an RPM. That's wild. Never seen that. Big old freaking tack where the speedometer goes. This guy is rad, man. Man. 265 horsepower, probably 800 foot-pounds of torque. What a monster, man. God.